Thousands of years ago, a mysterious mushroom was used in religions, rituals in the different regions of the world by shamans. South American Aztec Indians called them Teonenecatl, meaning God's flesh. Now this mushroom has shown promise for some various types of psychiatric disorders. I'm Daniel and welcome to Neurolab. You may have heard of psilocybin or magic mushroom, but what exactly are they? Psilocybin is a hallucinogenic chemical in some mushrooms that they known as magic mushroom. People who use these mushrooms experience a variety of symptoms from euphoria to hallucination. Psilocybin does not always make people see or hear things that are not there. Sometimes it just changes how people perceive things and people around them. A secondary metabolite is one of the organic compounds that some living things like bacteria, fungi, animals or plants produce for their own benefits. Secondary metabolites can help to organisms to survive or reproduce better. Psilocybin is a secondary metabolite that is found in more than 200 kinds of fungi, which are called psilocybin mushrooms. In recent years, psilocybin mushrooms have been studied as a possible treatment for mental health problems such as anxiety, depression, addiction, and PTSD. In the US, the Department of Veterans Affairs has been testing psilocybin and its active form, psilocin, to help veterans with their mental health and prevent suicide. It seems psilocybin itself is not very psychoactive, but after ingesting, it turns into psilocin, which is highly psychoactive. Psilocybin is a type of substance that needs to be changed into another substance to work. This type of substance is called a prodrug. We do not fully understand how psilocybin affects the brain, and in the different individuals it can make different responses. However, we think that psilocin works mainly by attaching to a part of the brain cell that responds to serotonin, a natural chemical in the brain. This part is called the 5-HT2A receptor, and it is important for the psychedelic effects of psilocybin. Psilocin is a partial agonist of 5-HT2A receptor, which means it mimics serotonin but with a lower level of activity. Psilocin also interacts with other receptors that respond to different chemicals, such as dopamine, histamine, and adrenaline. We don't know how much these interactions contribute to the effects of psilocybin. Like many other psychedelic drugs, psilocybin becomes less effective if people take it repeatedly over several days. This because the number of 5-HT2A receptors in the brain decreases when people take psilocybin often. This is called tolerance. Psilocybin also shares tolerance with LSD, which means that if someone becomes tolerant to one of these drugs, they will also be tolerant to the other one, even if they have never taken the other one before. Stay tuned for the second part of this topic.